Hi, this is a lesson about hyperlinks and hypertext and the difference between them. So, what is a hyperlink? What is hypertext? A hyperlink is a link that you follow by clicking or tapping. When I say link, I mean it is a website address. It is the URL. It is the whole thing, the HTTP www.wikipedia.org. It's that whole thing. And it is a hyperlink when it is live, when you can click on it and it takes you there. Hypertext is like a hyperlink, but the link is embedded into a word or a phrase that you choose or that the maker of the website chooses and embeds the link into. And they're really easy to make. So I want to show you how to do it. First, I'll show you an example using Wikipedia of the way that Wikipedia uses hypertext. Hypertext is fantastically used by Wikipedia. All of their links on the left margin are hypertext, and within their encyclopedia entries are thousands of hypertext links that will take you to related sites, related pages. The table of contents are all linked to the subtopics, so it makes it really easy to navigate a Wikipedia page. Images are hypertexted and hyperlinked. It makes Wikipedia very useful. So it's a pretty fantastic way to get information to your reader. How do you make a hyperlink? And why would you want to make a hyperlink rather than hypertext? Well, you'd want to make a hyperlink when you want the reader to see the entire web address or URL. For example, when you're writing a bibliography. So to make a hyperlink, you copy and paste the URL or the web address. You paste it into your document, and once you have pasted it in, at the end of the link you press return, and that makes your link a live hyperlink. So let's show you an example of that here. If you're using this Lewis and Clark website, you've got your bibliography ready to go. You've written Lewis and Clark, history.com, the date you access it, and then highlight the link, press Command C if that's your shortcut for using copy, and then Command V for paste. And once you press return, it goes live. It changes color, it's underlined now. When you click on it, it will take you to the website. So that is a hyperlink. Hypertext is embedding the text with your link. So how do you create that? There's actually a fantastic tool on the toolbar of your Google document. It's a little chain link. So you choose the word you want the link attached to, you highlight it, and then you click on that chain link icon in the Google toolbar. That will give you a window for pasting your link, and once you press go or enter, you will have hypertext. So here is an example. I'm highlighting the text I want, Lewis and Clark Expedition. I click on this chain link, and I'm going to use the link from my bibliography. I click apply, and now that is a bright blue hypertext link. Google Tools, Google will turn the hypertext into the link, and then you follow the link, and it does go a little slow sometimes, but it will take you now to the site that I've used. So embedding the hypertext is a cool way to add to your presentation, and it makes for a more interactive experience. So does it matter what source you use? Yes, of course it does. Please evaluate your source for accuracy, dependability. And when I say currency, I really mean make sure that the day you turn it in, those links are still available. Should I still write a bibliography? Yes, of course. You should still write a bibliography. It's very important to cite and give credit to your sources. And now what? You're going to practice making all of your own hypertext and hyperlinks with a hyperlinking history document assignment on Google Classroom. Okay? Thank you.